Creamy cocktails, don't diss them, okay? A lot of bartenders are pretty pretentious and don't want to drink or make creamy cocktails, but they are actually really good. So today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite creamy cocktails on Let's Talk Drinks. Okay guys, so I'm going to make 3 creamy cocktails for you today, and probably one of the most popular is the Grasshopper. I'm just going to get straight into it. First up, what we need is 30 mils of a white Creme de Cacao. I'm using Joseph Catrone because it is really, really good. Number 2, I'm going to use some Creme De Menthe. I'm using the Tempest Fugit today. And I'm going to be honest, I haven't even tried this one before, but I'm sure that it's going to be amazing. The original recipe says 30 mils of cream. I'm going to add about 40. Just add some ice. And we'll give it a really good shake. I normally shake a creamy cocktail a little bit longer because I really want it to sort of froth up and get that really nice mouthfeel. And then what we're going to do is strain. Probably with creamy cocktails, it's one of the only cocktails that I make that are shaken that I don't double strain. Okay, and for the garnish, I'm going to use some fresh mint. Guys, it does look white because I am using the white Creme de Cacao. You can also use just the green Creme de Cacao. Give it a little bit of a spank just because I want to release that flavour. How simple is that? That's a Grasshopper. Creamy cocktail number 2 is the original Brandy Alexander. So I'm going to use an Australian brandy here called Black Bottle, and it is 30 mils. Or 1 ounce for our amazing American viewers. 30 mils of a chocolate liqueur. You can use any chocolate liqueur. I'm going to use Mozart Black today, which is a dark chocolate. I find that it's a little bit more bitter, and for me it's a little bit more complex as well than a sweeter style chocolate liqueur. And last but not least, about 40 mils of cream. Once again, we give it a shake. And I'm going to strain it into a chilled coupette this time. And for my garnish, a little bit of chocolate dust, just sprinkled on top. How easy are these cocktails, right? 3 ingredients. Before I make the next one, guys, please hit subscribe, like, comment. If you want me to make some other creamy cocktail videos, please let me know. Now, last but not least, guys, my favorite creamy cocktail is the Toblerone. When I think of making creamy cocktails, I always think of different chocolate bars. So with the Toblerone, really simple. It's got chocolate, it's got hazelnut, it's got honey. So what I'm going to do is, it's a little bit of a twist on the classic original recipe of the Toblerone. We're going to use Jack Daniel's Tennessee honey. I'm going to start with 20 mils of that. For our hazelnut element, we're going to add 20 mils of Franjelico. For our chocolate component, I'm going to use Mozart Bitter because I like it that it's not so sweet. We've got a few sweet elements in there already. So there's a little bit of complexity and bitterness still with that cacao chocolate flavour as well. About 30 mils of cream. Some ice. Give it a really hard shake. I just hit myself in the head then. Alright, always chill your glassware down. Not going to double strain. A little bit of chocolate dust. Now, feel free, guys, if you want to get super fancy at home, You can get some chocolate topping into like a tomato sauce squeezy bottle, put it around the inside. You can use a piece of chocolate. Getting a little bit lazy and just using some chocolate with us today, but there you have the Toblerone cocktail. Guys, please let us know what you think, and we'll talk to you soon and see you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.